Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this Samsung. First of all, go into Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type iOS Launcher. After that, download this free Launcher app from this developer and click on Open. Then choose while using the app, tap on Allow and click Home button. Over here you need to select iOS Launcher and tap on Always. Then click OK and got it. As you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my Android. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!